Hello, this is Julian from Plan B Works.
And hello, this is Tim.
And this is a quick introductory video to DPW's Change Management Project. To kick off the project, we're distributing a questionnaire on your mission critical processes that we'll cover in an interview with you. Your input into the questionnaire will guide the change management process.
So this mind map gives an overview of the data we want to capture in the questionnaire. There are two data categories: value proposition and service analysis.
We'd like you to fill out the value proposition part before your interview. The service analysis will go over with you during the interview. Change management will be a follow-up after we've captured your service delivery data.
A value proposition is a single sentence narrative of 3 statements describing what one does to enable the delivery of a service. A value proposition brings clarity on how one brings value to DPW stakeholders. For example, improving the quality of life of county residents.
Here's an example value proposition.
And an example for DPW.
In the questionnaire, we'd like you to write 3 value propositions before we interview you. Now we move on to service analysis. In our interview with you, we'll go over this in detail, as this will show where change needs to happen most.
The service analysis begins with a key question. How do you know you're doing a good job? To capture the response, this question goes into a bit more detail. Are your stakeholders delighted with the service? What is working well? What's going poorly? Is this work truly adding value? What work should be started? What work should be stopped?
We also want to know who else is involved in service delivery, whether internal to DPW or external. For example, federal, state, county agencies and contractors. Then, who are the influences that can affect the delivery and outcome of the service? For example, community advocacy groups, parents associations, and so on. We also want to know what starts the service and what concludes it.
Next are key steps and outputs of the service, commonly 5 to 8 steps, but on a high level. So, for example, a highway safety project would involve planning, designing, contracting, build and review steps and their outputs.
So we'll distribute the questionnaire, and as mentioned, we'd like you to fill out the value proposition tab on your own. Then we'll cover service analysis in your interview.
We'll follow up with you on the change management tab after we finish gathering data on service delivery.
So that's a quick tour of the change management questionnaire. Thank you for your time, and we'll speak with you soon.